Alright, about 2 years ago,
Heather.
I tried to create a YouTube channel.
Heather.
So we're trying this again.
This is your stuff.
Is that really?
Yeah, I don't know.
I thought it was in the other corner.
No, it says Ethan Hashino on it from Amazon.
Alright.
And I think these are the thingies.
The hood struts?
Yeah, those things.
Okay, let's do it.
If you don't know, I don't know anything about cars. I say the thingy, and then he tells me that that's what they are.
Do you want to open them?
Yeah, I need a knife. Whip it out. You like my Crocs, guys? Look at my Crocs. Get a little. Oh, I cut the box.
That's alright.
I don't know. Is this yours? I don't know if this is yours.
I don't think that's mine, Daniel. Here, how about, no, this is definitely, there's only one in here.
Yeah, I think it's in here.
Just take the knife to it.
I can, here, I'll trade.
Okay. Gosh, so they sent us a second box just to fit one more in there. This is mildly ridiculous.
That's weird. So they had this one in this box with that box. And then they put this in a separate box.
Yeah.
You'd think they would just put it in the same box. It's weird.
And they came on different dates. So, shout out to Amazon for high quality car parts as always. So the story with these is when I got the car, it's always had blown hood struts. And honestly, like when I first got the car, I didn't really know a whole lot about cars. So I just kind of ignored it, put a piece of wood there, and was like, oh, I'm working on my car. So we're actually doing things right. We're doing a full overhaul of the Porsche. Getting it ready for our autocross, making it easier to work on. It's a Porsche 924S. So those of you who don't know, it's a 944 early offset in 924 panels. So all the suspension, all the drivetrain is all 944. This is an 88, so it's a little bit more desirable, but it still has the small boy tires. Okay, so I've already taken these off, and they're really easy. There's just a little pin that goes through and a little clip on the outside. You just take a screwdriver, pop off the pin, push the pin, and then push the pin through. Yeah, it's super easy. And then this part, I just broke it off because I'm not using the other ones again. So I'm actually gonna have to put these on the car without breaking them this time. Because I like breaking things. Alright, so as you can see, here's the hood strut. Take the little pin, goes through, the hood will sit right here, and then you put a little clip on the end, just as so, with a screwdriver. Same thing goes for installation, just take it out and then push the pin through. This pin was actually kind of hard to get through. I had to jam it through with a screwdriver. Just old car things. I don't know if your car is going to do that or not, but yeah, don't worry about damaging it because you probably won't. Alright, so I just bent the little clip out and I just stuck it on. It's super easy. I'm just gonna clip it back in with some gentle persuasion as I take them off again. There we go. That part's on. And then you take pin. Okay, so this needs to be compressed a little. Maybe, or maybe not. Maybe I should. Let's take a look at this. Okay. Yeah, I need to raise the hood higher and try and compress this a little bit and slip the pin through. So for the sake of that, I'm going to leave this pin right here and try to line it up. Okay, so the best way to do it is literally just lift the hood as high as you possibly can and just drop the pin through. It's super easy. Right now we have Danielle over here holding the other side up while I jam a screwdriver through the other side. Here's what this looks like. It's pretty straightforward. These shocks seem to be pretty good, pretty good quality. I will say though, kind of hard to compress with your hand when they're new, so we'll get back. Go ahead. Alright, here we go. Here's what it looks like at the end. I'm not gonna lie, it is really nice to have hood struts in. No more piece of wood or bamboo, I guess.
We're gonna burn them now.
I guess so. But yeah, I'm trying to clean up the engine bay, just make rooms for some more things. I'm gonna get rid of the washer fluid because, I mean, the container's actually cracked, so it leaks. So I'm just gonna rip it out, take all of the stuff out for that. Debating taking the heater out and a couple other things, but it really depends on what route I decide to go with it. Eventually I'm looking to swap the car. Not going to tell you guys yet what's going on with that, but things are in the movement in the background. Took out the power cruise control or whatever. That was really easy to take out, and yeah. So thank you for watching the video. We had a great time actually installing this. This is Danielle and I's first time installing anything together. So thank you guys.